Super cool. Hey, look at our feet. Hey, Yasaya, olha aqui. Uau, look where they are. Não olha muito por baixo, senão faz a coisa. Olha, faz pra ficar coisa. Olha.
Not me. Look.
Não, olha.
I'm looking under.
Super cool. Super cool. We are in the air. Ooh, look a shark. Oh,
There's no shark.
no, but super cool. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. We are taking our time, having a nice walk in the sea, Isaiah. Huh? What do you think?
We're just walking on the invisible floor.
Yeah, an invisible floor. Huh? Hi. What do you think? Yeah, super cool. Oh, it's going high. Awesome. It's going higher. Yeah, parachutes in the back. So we are flying now. We are flying so high. Wow. Look at this.
Did the shark that's
Huh?
Did the shark that's still?
Yeah, shark. Yeah, I think so. I think there's a shark in there. Yeah. Nice. That's sério. Wow, they're far away. Wow, that's amazing. Huh? That's amazing, huh? Love it? Nice and relaxed. Look at the other ones. Huh?
We are high.
Yeah, I think they just started. So they're gonna be high too. Tá bem, Zé? Oh. Look at our feet. Espelho do Azaia. O que está aí? Super cool.
Look at that tiny.
Yeah, the boat looks so tiny. Who wants to tell a story? We can tell each other a story. Huh? I don't know. Which story do you want to tell us? Huh? You can tell us now a nice story. Yeah, you know how good you are.
Now we're going down.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we are.
Yeah. Oh yeah. The distance is diminishing. Become less and less. Yeah. That's super cool, huh? Good adventures. I'm glad, Isaiah, you did it too. Are you? Aren't you, Isaiah? Ty, me too. I knew that you wanted to do this anyway, so aren't I? Super cool. Dat queria trazer o self-stick, mas só com self-stick would be like but that's good. Good way to do it. Huh?
We've only been doing it for about 3 minutes.
3 minutes, so we still got. Oh, we still got a bit more time.
I thought it's 15.
No?
Huh?
No, we gotta do for 10 minutes. Ten minutes in the air.
Maybe
Yeah, jet ski. Look at the jet skis. Wow, super cool.
jet ski and one boat.
Yeah, the boat.
Normal boat.
Yeah, the boat's just to guide the jet ski where to go. Super cool. Oh, Ty's feet. Oh, they're going under our feet. Look at shark! Shark! Shark!
I
Ooh,
thought I had a shark.
do you think so? Oh, that's amazing. Oh, super cool, aren't I? Huh? You think so? Huh?
Millions of sharks.
Shark, yeah.
We put the door down.
Yeah, the shark, hello shark. Can you see us, shark? Oh, look at that. Yeah, do you see a shark?
There's shark.
Yeah, shark. Yeah. A shark, shark. Shark, what are you doing there? You're supposed to go to for lunch. Oh yes.
Because I am the highest.
Yeah, because it's shorter.
How come it's the highest?
That's because it's shorter.
I don't
Oh, look at that boat's going so fast. Super cool, huh?
Back.
Yeah. I'm filming your legs, Isaiah. I'm filming you, Isaiah. Isaiah in the air. Yes, look at this.
Jet skis moving when the shark tries to get them.
Oh, that boat, the catamaran. That's talking.
Oh, look at that black parachute. It's black.
Oh, yeah.
Going in the water.
We're going to water.
In a minute.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Yes. Super cool.